Alexandra Goria of Poland in the blue, and then the Tunison of the Netherlands goes in the yellow.
In position. Ready.
So off they go. Just the first two proceeding through.
Hoog straight into the lead. Toinessen a close second, followed by Lazcano. Toinessen and Hoog going into the same up on the left there. Can Toinessen get out first? Hoog takes the speed. Gora pushing into second from the upright.
They've managed to burn off Tunison, who's at the back. So Hoog was the sixth fastest from the time trial. French paddler has got a good gap here, and it's leading the rest to have a big battle. It's Gorda of Poland in the blue and Lazcano from Spain.
Gora's missed the down. Lazcano causing her some troubles there in gate 6. Hoog far out in front. She is charging for the finish line. Lazcano going for up left with Toinessen on her tail, who could cause her some trouble. Toinessen in and out. This is going to be a close one for that second place.
So the fight goes on. Toinessen did well to come from behind there. She was well back. Hoog just giving herself a little round of applause. We'll wait for the official results, but it looks like it's Hoog of France, Toinessen of the Netherlands, the top two from heat 5.
Toinessen in the yellow was under review for gate 5. That seems to be clear now. All clear for Toinessen on gate 5.
So Hoog and Toinessen, the top two from heat 5. They'll be the first ones to